Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to explore the concept of degree measure in geometry, specifically focusing on why a full rotation is exactly 360 degrees. First, let us define what an angle actually is. An angle is formed when two lines, which we call rays, meet at a single point called the vertex. You can think of an angle as the amount of turn or rotation between these two lines. To measure this turn, we use a standard unit called the degree, represented by the small circle symbol. Imagine taking a circle and slicing it into 360 tiny, equal pieces. Each one of those single pieces represents exactly 1 degree. You might wonder, why choose the number 360? It dates back to ancient civilizations. 360 is a very special number because it can be divided evenly by so many other numbers, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, and so on. This made calculations and building much easier for them. When you spin all the way around and end up facing the exact same direction you started in, you have completed a full rotation. In geometry, this full circle represents the maximum standard measure of 360 degrees. Let us look at some common angles. If you take a full circle and divide it by 4, you get 90 degrees. This is called a right angle. It forms a perfect L shape, like the corner of a square or a rectangular room. If you take a full circle and divide it by 2, you get 180 degrees. This is called a straight angle because the two rays form a perfectly straight line. Continuing around the circle, if we turn 3/4 of the way, we reach 270 degrees. This is equal to 3 90-degree angles added together. Finally, when we complete the turn, we return to the start. A full circle is 360 degrees. It represents a complete cycle or revolution. To measure these angles precisely in the real world, we use a tool called a protractor. It has markings for every degree, allowing us to find the exact size of any angle. We see degrees everywhere. A clock face is a circle of 360 degrees, where each hour mark is 30 degrees apart. A compass also uses degrees for navigation, with north usually starting at 0 or 360. To summarize, angles measure rotation. The standard unit is the degree. A full rotation is 360 degrees, and this system allows us to measure everything from simple corners to complex navigation paths accurately.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.